This is the girl emergency kit that you're gonna need in your car, for school, for work, anything. If you are a girl, you need to have an emergency kit with you at all times. It's just necessary, okay? And this is what you're gonna put in it. I didn't have a sister, so I had to learn this stuff the hard way. The emergency bag is so important so that you look good and feel good at all times. First off, you're gonna get yourself like a cute little pouch, okay? Something like this big that you can just carry with you. For girls, extra pads and underwear. Even if it's not for you, it's so good to have for other girls too. Spare deodorant, a mini lotion. This saves you when you have dry skin on your legs or something and you don't realize it. Rollerball perfume. I've been wearing this scent since I was like 16. These are so good to have. Or you can get disposable little mini toothbrushes, mouthwash, mini brush, cute claw clip, hair ties. This might just be me, but I literally will feel naked without my earrings. So like a spare pair, a mini dry shampoo. Oh, this is a lifesaver. Mini hand sanitizer, basic makeup, brow gel, $5 mascara, and your favorite lip balm. I love this one because it's thick, it has color, and it stays on. This one is a bonus. Hypochlorous acid if you want clear skin. Spray this after you work out. There's also a dupe. Let me know what I forgot. I will link everything in my Amazon under emergency bag. Thank me later. And let me know if I forgot anything. Love you, bestie boo. Mwah.